Welcome back, guys. In today's video I want to speak out a danger because Bitcoin is right now collapsing with the price. Altcoins are right now also in a corrective move. We will talk about Bitcoin, as I said. We will talk about Solana. We had in the last video, when we talked about Solana, we were pumping, but right now bears are taking control, and also in the end we will have a look at XRP because XRP right now also is in a downwards move. So I hope that you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Don't skip this video. It's very urgent, guys, and I want to start off with this Bitcoin cycle. Here in the weekly time frame you can see we have our 4 halvings, or we are waiting for the 4th halving. We have our 3 halvings from the past. The first one is here, you can see it with the vertical lines. The second one was here, and the third one is here. And the 4th one will be around this area in April, May. So right now, guys, what we can witness is that Bitcoin is still in the cycle formation. What does the cycle formation mean to us? Because if we look at this cycle, guys, you can see we're at the deep bear. It means that the price is going downwards from the previous high, or the all-time high that we formed, and then straight downwards. That's the area what we call the deep bear. From there on, when we reach the bottom, guys, the price of Bitcoin recovered, pumped, and then we were in the pre-bull stage. The pre-bull stage is the stage where we are warming up. Prices are coming up again. We are forming higher lows and higher highs on the weekly and on the daily as well. And then after the halving, guys, you can see it here with the vertical line, the parabolic phase normally starts, and then we are still pushing forward, guys. And here again, guys, in this cycle as well, and right now in the cycle where we are, we can still see the same patterns. As you can see here, we are right now in the pre-bull stage. That means prices of Bitcoin are warming up. We are forming higher lows and higher highs on the weekly, on daily as well. But we reached a level, guys, after 8 weeks, green candles, guys. This scenario, we had it only 2 or 3 times in the past. This scenario, guys, was immense. This was very huge, but also very dangerous, because in the last 24 hours, 405 million were wrecked, were washed out of the markets, 350 million only in long liquidations, and 54 million only in shorts. This is very dangerous, guys. Right now, you have to be careful and watch out. And that's why I want to make this urgent video. It's a very dangerous area right now where we are trading 43,000. This is on the BLX chart, but in the real chart we are at 42,000. We've tested 41,000, and also we were at the 40,000 area. So right now, what we have to take in consideration, or what could be the case, the best case from my point of view for Bitcoin is by the end of 2023, guys, 48,000, because it's the golden pocket area. And you can see always in the past cycles we reached the golden pocket area. It means the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and then from there on we saw a corrective move. And right now we haven't reached the Fibonacci 0.618 level, and this means that maybe Bitcoin is right now in a corrective move, but it's not something that has to play out, but it could play out because it was in the past the case. And therefore I hope that the best case will play out and we reach 48,000. But if we see a corrective move, guys, we have the 28,000 area, because after breaking out of this zone, we haven't even backtested 30 to 32,000. And this could mean that the price of Bitcoin could come down to this area, backtest it. 30 to 32,000 is this area. But if we go even lower, we have the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, which is around 28,000. This could be also the case if we leave this area one more time. But let's have a look at a daily time frame. In this daily time frame, what could play out for December only? This is for a bit longer outlook. This is only for the December because we have the pivotal points, we have the pivot indicator. You can see that we were rejected at the R3 line. This is the monthly resistance line, the R3 line, which sits around 43,700 US dollars. But right now, we are tumbling down in the direction of 41,000, which is the monthly R2 line. I hope that the support of this one will hold. If it's not the case, guys, we have room for a more corrective move. We have the monthly R1 line, 39,000, and if we see more sell-off, the pivot point sits around 36,000. This means we are on the way, or we could face a more bearish and a bloody month for December. In the past, December was always a good month, but this could mean before the next year starts that we see a more sustainable growth. A sustainable growth means that we are not going unlimited upwards because the price has to cool down, and this could mean that maybe this December could cool down before we go into the next bull stage where we have the parabolic move. I showed it here. You can see it. We have the parabolic phase that is coming with the next halving. And therefore, before the next halving comes, you can see it here. We saw this corrective move. Here we had this corrective move and then we pumped slowly. Here as well, guys, we saw this corrective move and then we pumped. Here, guys, you can see we recovered and then went straight forward from here. And therefore, maybe Bitcoin is on the way for a bit recovery, for a bit sustainable growth, that we see a small sell-off and then from here we can grow sustainable, go into the next parabolic phase, which comes with the next halving. This is something in the theory that could play out. We will see it. I have no crystal ball where I can look through. And now I want you guys to listen and let's have a look at Solana, because Solana is also playing out very, very interesting. Last time when we talked about Solana, we broke out of this ascending triangle and reached the price area of $77, sorry. From here on, guys, I said to you that maybe Solana could see a bit more sell-off because the bulls pumped straight forward from here, but the bears want to take some, or we want to take some profits. A lot of people took some profits after we broke out of this area and made a approximately 18% jump. And from here on, guys, bulls have done everything to protect and defend the $70 area, but we managed it only once, and then the second time we dumped from here on. And with this area is very, very special pattern played out, and this is the 1 to 3 reversal top pattern, guys. You can see it. We are in a bullish trend from here on, and then we see our first top. This top is higher than this one. We see the first corrective move. We see a jump, but this jump reaches only this height, and then from here on the reversal is coming within, and then the price dumps. Right now we are trading around $68. Therefore, guys, if Solana sees more dump, I think the price area around 65 to 63 cents, $63 is the area where we can focus on, because this was the previous resistance zone. Right now this resistance is supporting the price, and we hope that it will hold the line. So let's talk about XRP. XRP right now broke out of this cup and handle pattern, but not in a good way. This cup part played out wonderful, guys. This handle part was on a good way, but right now the price is deforming. That means we are no longer in the structure and we are about to invalidate this cup and handle pattern. Normally this cup and handle pattern is a very good reversal pattern, because you can see from this upwards move we were in this downwards move, but with this downwards move, guys, you can see after forming this bottom, this huge bottom from July, from summer on up to November around this area, guys, the cup part played out wonderful, but the handle part didn't manage to play out in a bullish way, and right now we are more in a way to play it out bearish. And therefore I want to talk about Jesse Livermore's speculative chart. In this speculative chart you can see that with the dump right now and breaking the handle part, we could lead into this 0.7 area. 0.7 area means that we will test one more time this rising supportive line, and with testing this rising supportive line, price of XRP could go back to the 54 cents to 50 cents area, around this area, and then we hope that this line will hold the price, and then we can go upwards from here, because this is in a weekly time frame. This is a chart for the longer outlook, for the long term, and I hope that XRP manages somehow to play it out in this way. This could be very bullish in the end. So let's have a look at this one chart again. And I said to you guys that we could play it out in a bearish way and dump one more time in direction to 50 cents. And 50 cents means that we could reach this 30 weekly moving average. This is the chart where we see the ideal buy for an investor. And this ideal buy for an investor, we had this horizontal box. And this horizontal box is also around the 53 cents, 50 or 46 cents area. Between this area, we have this horizontal box where we needed several breakout tries. We had 1, 2, 3, and at the fourth time we managed to break it out and then back tested it. And right now, after this cup part, the handle part is also in a way to test it again. So I think that XRP could also see with the other altcoins, and also when Bitcoin dumps, that the altcoins will go also downwards and test the supports that were a resistance in the past. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe, put the thumbs up, guys, and send this video to your friends and family who also should see it by sharing this video. I would truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.